That's my camera. I need to come in and tighten the shades. Let me see if I can. I guess I could use this. So I need to tighten these light shades. It was this one. Pulls the shade right off. I remember that video. Let me try. You can really hear that hum. Yeah, I'm gonna put a fan here. Yeah, here's this thing. This thing really does go fast on high speed. Top 10 worst Tampa fans are made. Colin O'Brien. Just got the notification. I just hope the Metairie isn't one of the worst, or the Glendale, or the Middleton. I mean, you could rate the Littleton as one of the worst, only because of how cheap that thing is. Yeah. I had one in here once, and then one at my room. The one in here, one of the blades just broke off while the fan was in use. Unexpectedly. And the other almost burned down the house. Which is hilarious. Try. Here we go. It's a very slight wobble, but it's not bad. Even though these fans are really nice. Yeah, you can really. I'm starting to see it really wobble a little bit. Yeah, that's right, because this switch doesn't even work. It's supposed to do the light. Yeah. So I'm just gonna turn this off.